Hello there! Kiive Audio just dropped 2 brand new plugins. These 2 are actually part of an upcoming series of effect modules. Today we are looking at the first 2 modules, a highly versatile chorus and a classic Rotary speaker emulation. Let's dive straight into the workflow and how they sound in practice. Alright, so let's start with the chorus on this guitar. I will turn the plugin on. I love this display here, it looks really great. We can adjust the 3 tabs here. Let's adjust one by another, starting with the first one. Even at extreme settings, it still sounds nice. So, and if you think there's not much of a difference, let's turn this plugin off and listen to the clean signal. So this plugin is doing a lot to the sound. Let's turn it on again. But that's not all we can do. We can also switch to the advanced settings here. And here we can also adjust the drive amount. So this will add a nice amount of saturation. We also got a mini preset menu here, where we can quickly change the sound. And on the top toolbar we can adjust the input and the output. We can turn on HQ, and we can also activate or deactivate the total harmonic distortion. If this is turned on, the plugin sounds more analog. Let's turn the mix up a bit. Nice, I love this. I switched over to the Rotary on this simple MIDI piano. So let's turn the plugin on. With this knob, we can select one of 6 vibrato or chorus modes. We can morph between slow and fast rotor speeds. And that sounds really nice on my headphones. Let's check out the advanced settings. We also can adjust the drive here. The new FX modules from Kiive Audio, delivering warmth and character to the mix while keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. I really love the sound and the design of these 2 new plugins, and I'm definitely looking forward to what's coming next in this series. If you want to try them out on your tracks, you can find the links in the description below. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more mixing and mastering content. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.